Ladies and gentlemen, we're going back to the source. Welcome to hip-hop, TheSyllableSlaughter. H.I.P.H.O.P, this is hip-hop. H, cause I got high hopes of healing hills of ills where had been raising hell. In between the hi-hat is when I kick with the snare. Tryna save the children, tryna save the heritage. This is hooray and hallelujah after finding beauty hiding in the hideousness. An eye opener for I am in the underground like cassava or I am. This is where intellectuals dives into ideas and implement, and I'm in for information. I is for ink. Ink rhymes with think rhymes with sink. You're not just enthusiast of these art, you are scuba divers, H.I.P. Cause paper became power when pen bred paragraphs on pages, painting pictures of people plus piling problems, pulling, pushing and penetrating politics, paying poverty to prove a T. This is prison. I mean you pay for prescription pills, part poison. Prey versus predator, play versus prey. Propaganda and parking lot prostitution for a plate. The knowledge of this will help you propose a plan and proceed to produce a proceed. H, cause hoodlums are going high-tech searching for my hypotheses. I'm like, no. Hypo, this is more than what they say. This is more of, have you heard of heartbeat, of heartbeat, hard hit, him, her, happiness or happiness? How to find a hiding place, make home, you see. Heaven is helping his story and the making be history and the making now from him low to hero. Horror spoke, I didn't listen since my name seeds with stars like a horoscope. Oh, unlike an owl for a bad omen, this is opposite of oppression. On point, on top, on the o'clock. Always for the origin. Welcome to the omnipresent power. This is oxygen, ointment in whatever order. Got me with my smile on like an ornament. P, though part prejudice, pickpocketed, is still precious. So P is for this product as the pacifier, pivot of all this planet packed as the pillar. Proportionally prepare, pulpit, preach peace and practice putting pieces of purity and passion to poetry and percussion. MCing like the papa say, my papa say, push for what your papa says.